Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if your Instagram broadcast channel isn't showing up, there could be a few reasons why it's happening. Alright, so number one is make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because poor internet connectivity can prevent the broadcast channel from loading properly. Now, if you are using the Instagram on the computer or the desktop or laptop and using the web version, you might want to go here just to see and ensure that you have a decent and stable connection. All right, now after that, the next step that you should do is now make sure you have or you are using the latest version of the Instagram app, because outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that could cause the broadcast channel not to show up on your mobile device or on your computer. So if you are using an Android, you might want to go to the Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, go to the App Store to ensure that you have the most updated Instagram app. Okay, now the next thing that you can do is you might want to clear the cache on your app, because sometimes clearing the cache can help refresh the app and resolve any temporary data issues. So go to your mobile device, go to the app list, and from here you can simply click on the storage and cache, delete any unnecessary data, like here, click on clear cache, then restart the app and see if the broadcast channel shows up. All right, now the next option is, now I need you to go to the Instagram app and hover to the upper right corner, the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines, click on it and click on settings and privacy. Now from here, you need to hover down to the bottom where it says help. Okay, and the next step is, and from here, click on the report a problem. All right, so report a problem or should be submitted here. And from here, all I have to do is tell them your situation, that you wanted to fix the Instagram broadcast channel. It's not showing up on your account. All right. And basically, one of the Instagram support chat will be more than glad to assist you with any of your concern. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.